Good day everyone, this video will discuss about hydrometeorological hazard. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify the difference of typhoon, thunderstorm, flash flood, storm surge, El Nino, and La Nina. So what is hydrometeorological hazard? Hydrometeorological hazard is a phenomenon of atmospheric, hydrological, or oceanographic nature that may cause loss of life, injury, or other health impacts, property damage, loss of livelihoods and services, social and economic disruptions, or environmental damage. There are different hydrometeorological hazards occur in the world. Some of these are tropical cyclones, thunderstorms, hailstorm, tornado, blizzards, heavy snowfall, avalanches, coastal storm surges, drought, heat waves, and cold spells. What are the hydrometeorological hazards found in the Philippines? So it's undeniably that we all experience typhoon. And typhoon is an extremely large and destructive storm that occurs especially in the region of the Philippines or the China Sea. Due to its location in the tropics, the Philippines is one of the most prone countries to typhoons as well as the other natural disasters like earthquakes, because it is also in a tectonic danger zone, the Ring of Fire. An average of 8 or 9 tropical storms make landfall in the Philippines each year, with another 10 entering Philippine waters. In 2013, only 6 storms have affected the country. The worst year was 1993 when 19 cyclones entered the coastline. There are 3 types of typhoon. 1 is tropical depression, 2 is tropical storm, 3 is super typhoon. Now here's the trivia. The State Weather Bureau assigns each Philippine typhoon name in alphabetical order to determine the number of typhoons that have entered the Philippine area of responsibility every year. Another one is thunderstorm. Thunderstorm is a weather condition generally characterized by a heavy rain, thunder, lightning, and even the possibility of tornado. So what do you think travels the fastest? Is it the thunder or the lightning? Thunder is a sound wave and lightning is the emission of electromagnetic energy. Both were released on the same time. The reason we see a flash of lightning before hearing thunder is because light travels fastest than sound. Next is flash flood. Flash flood is a local flood of short duration, generally resulting from heavy rainfall in the immediate vicinity. Storm surge is an escalating seawater to the coast above normal sea level. It is extreme high wind speeds of almost 300 km per hour during the Typhoon Haiyan caused the storm surge in San Pedro Bay, Philippines. Typhoon Haiyan in the Philippines, or is known as Yolanda, made its first landfall in Tacloban City on November 8, 2013. Later, it made landfall at the other Philippine islands as well. El Nino is a flow of unusually warm water along the western coast of South America that causes many changes in weather, while La Nina is a climate pattern that describes the cooling of surface ocean waters along the tropical west coast of South America. La Nina is considered as the counterpart of El Nino, which is characterized by unusually warm ocean temperatures in the equatorial region of the Pacific Ocean. What are the signs of hydrometeorological hazard? For typhoon, increased ocean swell, barometric pressure drop, wind speed, and heavy rainfall. For thunderstorm, cloud formation darkening sky, lightning wind, and wind. For flash floods and floods, continuous storms, typhoons, and rain, distant thunder, rapidly rising water, muddy water, and water carry twigs, logs, and other debris. While for storm surge, it's cumulonimbus, darker sky, low pressure, strong winds, and rising of seawater. For El Nino, hot weather, high pressure, change of temperature, and gradually drying of land. Select one among the given hydrometeorological hazard. What are the possible ways you would do when this kind of hydrometeorological hazard hits in your place? Write your answer in the comment section.